Welcome to the Temp-Taker 3 video training series. This video explains the File tab, located within the General Settings section of the software. The File tab of the Temp-Taker software is where you go when you wish to either import or backup your programming and settings file. To save the file you are currently working on, click the Backup button at the top of the screen. You will then be prompted with a window asking you what you would like to name the file and where you would like to save it. All Temp-Taker files will be created and saved with a .dat extension. To import a file, click on the Import button, also located at the top of the page. Again, a window will open, prompting you to select where you would like to look to retrieve the file. Please note, there is a toggle box located directly underneath the Import button, with the message, Include the users list when importing. When this box is checked, this will force the program to import the users list associated with the file you are importing, overriding your software's current users list and security PIN codes. To be safe, you should always leave this box unchecked to avoid any mistakes, as this feature is only recommended for when the programming file is to be spread across multiple Temp-Taker systems in a single organization with a users list that is generic in nature. Below the manual import and backup buttons is a toggle box to turn on the auto import settings for Temp-Taker. This feature is commonly used in situations where the primary Temp-Taker programmer is in one location, yet needs to frequently import a new and/or regularly updated file out to multiple satellite locations that do not always have an admin-level user present. New programming files that are received by Temp-Taker in this way will automatically download into the handheld units upon syncing. Upon installation of the Temp-Taker software at each location, you can preset the software to automatically look for and install an updated programming file, if and when it becomes available in the folder path you have entered in. This folder path can either be attached to a file folder on your local network or in a cloud-based storage system. Once the folder path for your file is confirmed, simply set the date, frequency, and time of when you would like the software to look for the updated programming file, and then save your changes. The Temp-Taker software will then automatically test your folder path settings to ensure everything is connected correctly before moving forward. For more information on how to set up a cloud-based storage account with your Temp-Taker system, please view the video titled, How to Set Up a Cloud-Based Folder Path for Temp-Taker 3. Lastly, you can activate an alarm on the Temp-Taker handheld unit to remind you to sync the device after your scheduled auto import event occurs within the software. To toggle this option on or off, click the Device Reminders button in the lower portion of your screen. This concludes the training video on the File tab, located in the General Settings section of the software. For additional questions, please email info@itdfoodsafety.com or call 321-676-3194 to reach a technical support representative.